Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to do Excel chapter 10 Grader mid-level 2 flight plan. Basically this is the 10th chapter of Excel section of this Pearson course, and in this video I will be doing this assignment step by step so that you can get your assignment done by watching this complete video. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, or if you want me to do this complete course for you, including all the Excel, Word, PowerPoint or Access assignments, you can contact me and you can hire me for your complete course. You can also hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, all other writing assignments, mathematics or statistics. So first of all, we are supposed to download the materials to solve this assignment. So like this is the instruction file, this is the Excel workbook that we're going to use to solve this assignment, then these are the supporting files. So I will download all the files. So let me open the instruction file first. So this is the instruction file that we're going to use to solve this assignment. Okay. So title of the assignment is Exp25 Excel chapter 10 mid-level 2 flight plan. That is the title for this assignment. So at start of the section you can see the project description. So there is nothing to do in project description, but I suggest you to read this project description well so that you can get an idea about the assignment. Once you will read this project description, this will be easy for you to solve this assignment. So I suggest you to read this project description well so that you can understand this assignment well. So then you can see the steps to perform to complete this project, and total steps to perform are 10. These are the 10 steps or 10 questions that we gonna solve to complete this project or this assignment. So I will solve step by step and you are supposed to follow me if you want to get this done for you. So now let's move to steps. So first step or first question is start Excel. Download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 10 mid-level 2 flight plan. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So as you can see that I have already downloaded this file. So now let me open this file. So this is an empty file, empty Excel workbook that we gonna use to solve this assignment. We are supposed to apply all the instructions, all the steps to this Excel workbook, and we will make this Excel workbook in the final form for the submission. So your first task is to download and open this Excel workbook. So I have already downloaded this, and you can download this from your course dashboard. So first step is just about downloading the file. So I have already downloaded this. So now we will move to next step of the assignment, that is use get and transform tool to import the text file Exp25 Excel chapter 10 mid-level 2 flight plan. So first we are supposed to import the data from a text file that we have already downloaded. So we're going to use that file to import the data from that file. So go to data and go to get data, and from a text file, so select text file. So text file is this one, that is exp Excel chapter 10 mid-level 2 flight plan. Okay, and click load. So we have imported the data from the text file. That is all about step number 2, where we were supposed to import the data from text file. Now it is saying rename the worksheet flights. So now we are supposed to right click on that and click rename and type flights as the name of this worksheet and press enter. So we have renamed the worksheet as flight. So that is all about step number 3. Now it is saying added the connection properties to refresh when the file is opened. So you can go to file, then option, then you can go to, one second, it is saying added the connection properties to refresh when file is opened. Connection properties, where is the connection properties? Let me look for the connection properties. Connection properties, connection. One second. So go to data tab and one second. Queries and connection. Properties, refresh, enable. Okay, it is saying we are supposed to added the connection properties to refresh when the file is opened. So you can check this box, refresh data when opening the file. Okay, click this one and click OK. So that is all about step number 4, where we were supposed to make the connection properties to refresh when the file is opened. Okay. Now insert a 3D map that uses latitude and longitude as the location dimensions. Insert a 3D map. Okay. We are supposed to insert, select this one and click insert, and we are supposed to insert a 3D map. So we are supposed to insert a 3D map for latitude and longitude. So go select these and go to data tab and insert 3D map. Okay. So that is the 3D map that we are supposed to insert, and that is all about step number 5, where we are supposed to insert a 3D map. So I have inserted a 3D map. So now it is saying step number 6, zoom in until New York City face the screen. Rename scene 1 as New York. Set the scene's duration to 4 seconds and the effect to dolly. So now we are supposed to zoom in. Okay, from where you can zoom in or zoom out. Okay. Now rename the scene as New York. So this is the scene, and we are supposed to rename the scene as New York. New York. Okay. and the scene duration should be 4 seconds. So we will reduce this to 4 seconds. Okay. So now you can see that New York and scene duration is also given, that is the 4 seconds. So that is all about step number 6, where we are supposed to rename the scene and the scene duration. Then we can apply the effect as well, that is the dolly effect. From here you can select the dolly here, okay, and cancel this. So I have completed 6 steps for you in this assignment out of 10 steps. So that means I have solved half of the assignment, or no, sorry, 70% of the assignment in this video for you. But if you want me to do this complete assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, my WhatsApp number and email is showing at the bottom of the screen. You can contact me either through WhatsApp or email, and you can hire me for your courses. So thank you so much for watching my video. I will surely get back to you with another useful video, and thank you so much again.